Every big shift starts with a spark of curiosity. You don't need a degree, a strategy, or a secret playbook to start learning how to use AI. You just need to be curious enough to press a few buttons and see what happens. Think back to the first time you opened a new app or tried a new platform. You didn't wait for a class, you just explored. That same spirit is what's going to help you today. Too many people sit on the sidelines because they're afraid to look inexperienced. Well, the truth is, the explorers are the ones who figure things out. They test, adjust, and learn in time. As you head into this, let go of the idea that you need to get it right. Your only job is to notice what interests you, what surprises you, and what makes you think, I could use that. Keep a notepad open, jot down any aha moments or tools you'd like to try later. The more curious you get, the faster you'll find what fits your workflow. You're not here to master AI. You're here to explore it. And by the time you finish, you'll see that the smartest move isn't waiting until you know everything. It's starting while you're still learning. Let's jump in and see what curiosity can do for you. The explorer path. Try things, test ideas, and see what fits. Welcome to the explorer path. If you're here, it means one thing. You're curious, maybe even excited, and just maybe a little unsure of where to begin. And that's totally okay. This is the path where everyone starts, even the pros. Think of it like this. You just walked into a brand new city. You don't know where the best coffee shop is. You're not sure what street leads to where. And you're open to looking around, taking a walk, asking a few questions. That's the explorer path. No pressure, no map required, just a mindset. I want to see what AI can do for me. Who is this for? This path is perfect for you if you've heard about AI but haven't tried it much. You've used ChatGPT but mostly for fun. You feel like you're behind. Spoiler alert, you are not. You don't want to become a tech person. You just want to use the tools that work. You might be a business owner who's heard AI can help with emails, a freelancer wanting faster ways to plan or write, a creator thinking maybe I could use this for content, or a parent, student, or a side hustler just wanting to explore. Let's talk about your Explorer Toolkit. These are the tools that are beginner friendly, forgiving, and fun to test. Let's take a look at ChatGPT. Your AI buddy that answers questions, helps with writing, and generates ideas. Ask it to write a 3-step morning routine based on your lifestyle. I just put, I need a 3-step morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I got work. See, I don't even say it right. I go to work at 9, finish my work at 5, and I have dinner at 6 p.m. It's predictively reading my text, whether I spell it or don't have the right grammar. And it turns around and gives me a 3-step morning routine tailored to the schedule that I told it to. Let's take a look at Claude. Like ChatGPT, is great for long documents and summaries. Once you set up a free account, you can upload a long blog post and ask it for a summary. Canva AI, designs made easy with smart suggestions. You can get in with a free account to test it. Just type in create a logo for a cozy coffee shop and see what happens. Notion AI allows you to put everything in one place, your notes, your lists, and all your writing in one place. Ask it to create a weekly content plan or a to-do list. And you can set up a free Notion account to do that as well. Mixo, build a mini website from just an idea? Well, I typed in business that teaches piano to kids, and look what it built. A full-blown website for me. I can even go in and customize it. These tools let you click, try, and learn as you go. There's no training needed. Real world explorer moments. Let's look at a few examples of what explorers actually do. Alex is a real estate agent. She asked ChatGPT to help her write a listing for a 3-bedroom house. It saved about 45 minutes. Jessie is a mom who wants to organize her week. She used Notion AI to create color-coded scheduling from her notes. Mike owns a food truck. He asked Claude to write a customer review reply, and it came out warm and professional. You might use ChatGPT to help explain a difficult email, write your bio, or generate 10 blog topics for your business. None of them are coders. They just started asking, how do I know if this path is right for me? Well, let's ask yourself, do I like testing things just to see what happens? Do I prefer exploring before committing? Do I enjoy tools that make everyday tasks easier? If that sounds like you, this path is a great place to stay while you build your confidence. The real win of this path is that you learn what AI feels like when it works for you, not in theory, not in a book, but actually using it. Even if you move to a different path later, like a business or creator, the Explorer path gives you the foundation to make smarter decisions and avoid the overwhelm. You'll know what tools feel natural. You'll know what doesn't, and that's powerful. Try these action steps. Here's your challenge. Use one of the AI tools that we've talked about to complete 3 mini tasks. They take about 5 minutes each. You can do all 3 on ChatGPT or Claude, or even mix it up. Prompt 1. Help me organize my day. I wake up at 7 and work until 3. Build me a balanced to-do list. Prompt 2. Give me 5 ideas for social media posts and insert your business or your topic. Prompt 3. Write a short, friendly email to thank someone for a referral. Another tool that makes this even more fun is try ElevenLabs to turn one of your messages into an AI voiceover, just to hear it come to life. You just put in a prompt text, your voice, and listen. Don't forget to write down your answers in your worksheet or notebook. Which prompt felt the most useful? Was there a tool that felt natural or fun? Did anything surprise you about what AI can do? If you found one tool that made your life easier, even just a little, then guess what? You're officially on the Explorer path. Take a breath and recognize what just happened. You gave yourself permission to explore. That's a bigger win than you realize. You didn't need perfect answers. You needed a place to start and how to have one. The next step is to keep that spark going. Before today ends, try one small experiment. Use AI to write a short message, plan a quick task, or organize something that's been sitting on your list. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something real that you use today. Write down what worked and didn't. Those notes become your personal guidebook, showing you where AI fits in naturally into your routine. Remember, explorers don't wait for direction. They test any idea, learn something new, and adjust on the fly. Every attempt builds confidence. Every small success compounds into real progress. You're not just chasing perfection, you're building momentum. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to see opportunities where others see confusion. Curiosity brought you here. Consistency will keep you growing. Keep testing, keep noticing, and keep creating your own path forward. You've already started the journey. Now stay curious and keep exploring.